Hi everyone, welcome to this live session video. Here we have a nice math algebra problem, k minus 5 to the power of 4 equal to 5 to the power of 4. We want to find the value of k. Solution. Let's get down the question first. K minus 5 to the power of 4 is equal to 5 to the power of 4. This left hand side can also be written as k minus 5 all squared times 2 equal to 5 to the power of 4 can also be written as 5 squared times 2. Now, let's move this right hand side to the left hand side. So that will be k minus 5 all squared times 2 minus 5 squared times 2 equal to 0. Let's continue. Now, let us recall this beautiful algebraic identity. It says a square minus b square is equal to a plus b times a minus b. Using this identity on this guy, we're gonna have k minus 5 all squared plus 5 squared, that is k minus 5 all squared is a by comparing this left hand side, and 5 squared is simply b. Let's continue. So we have times a, that is k minus 5 all squared minus b 5 squared equal to 0. Let's continue. This means that if you expand k minus 5 all squared very well, we have k squared minus 10k plus 25 plus 5 squared, that is simply 25 also, times, expanding this also very well, we have k squared minus 10k plus 25 minus 5 squared, that is simply 25 equal to 0. Let's continue. This means that k squared minus 10k plus 25 plus 25, that is 50, times k squared minus 10k. Clearly 25 minus 25, that goes, so close the bracket, equal to 0. Let's continue. This means that k squared minus 10k plus 50 is equal to 0, or k squared minus 10k is equal to 0. Now, let's consider this first. So after that, we will solve this quadratic equation. From here, you will see that k is common. We can factor it out. So that will be k into k minus 10 equal to 0. This means that k is equal to 0, or k minus 10 is equal to 0. Clearly, k equals to 0. This is the first solution. Or from this line, moving minus 10 to the right hand side, k is equals to 10. This is the second solution. Let's call this k1 and this k2. Now, let's solve this quadratic equation together. Separate it. We have k squared minus 10k plus 50. Let's solve it using completed the square method. So by completing the square, so by completing the square method, the first step is that we're gonna transfer this constant to the right hand side. Doing that, we have k squared minus 10k equal to minus 50. The second step is that we are going to add half of the coefficient of k and at the same time square it to both sides. Coefficient of k here is minus 10. Half of it will be what? Minus 10 divided by 2, and we square it. So add minus 10 divided by 2 all square to both sides. That's what we are going to do now. Adding these guys to both sides, we have k squared minus 10k plus minus 10 divided by 2 all squared equal to the right hand side minus 50 plus this minus 10 divided by 2 all squared. Let me separate this very well. Let's proceed further. So let us combine this left hand side. Doing that, we have k minus 10 divided by 2 all squared. This is k. That is, when you expand k minus 10 over 2 all squared very well, we're going to have all of this left hand side back. This equal to minus 50 plus minus 10 divided by 2 all squared. This means that k minus 10 divided by 2, that is 5, all squared equal to minus 50 plus minus 10 divided by 2, that is minus 5 also, all squared. This means that k minus 5 all squared is equal to minus 50 plus minus 5 all squared, that is minus 5 times minus 5, which is plus 25. This means that k minus 5 all squared is equal to minus 50 plus 25, that is minus 25. Now, let us take square root of both sides. So that will be square root of k minus 5 all squared equal to plus or minus square root of minus 25. Because this is a constant, that is why we are introducing plus or minus sign. This means that clearly this bigger square root takes care of this 2. We are left with k minus 5 equal to plus or minus square root of minus 25. We can rewrite it as square root of 25 times square root of negative 1. So we have square root of 25 times square root of negative 1. K minus 5 is equal to plus or minus. What is square root of 25? Square root of 25 is simply 5. And also, from the complex number, don't forget that square root of minus 1 is equals to I. So we have I here. This means that k is equals to, moving minus 5 to the right hand side, that becomes positive 5 plus or minus 5i. This implies that k is either equal to 5 plus 5i or k equal to 5 minus 5i. This is the third solution, K3. Why this is the fourth solution, K4. So as a result of this, all the solutions that we have, the first one is K1 equal to, let me show you. One is 0, K2 is 10, K1 is equals to 0, K2 is equals to 10, K3 is equals to this 5 plus 5i, and K4 is equals to 5 minus 5i. You will see that we have 4 distinct solutions, 2 real solutions and 2 complex solutions. That's it for this video. Thank you so much guys for joining this live session video. Please share your tips and please tell me if this video was helpful, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I would love to see you in my other videos as well. Have a good one.